While everybody centers around Bitcoin and Ethereum, different open doors probably won't be on many individuals' radar. The OMG tokens are in the information at their vertical cost expectations and getting more financial backer consideration due to how they perform contrasted with the opposition. OMG Network is gradually taking off, acquiring market inclusion. The most recent news inclusion of this underestimated coin is acquiring additional consideration from the market-changing exchanging choices. We should figure out more about the OMG Network project and the story behind it. The overview of OMG Network. OMG Network is a Layer 2 scaling arrangement that has worked for the Ethereum blockchain. It permits clients to move ETH and ERC20 tokens less expensive and quicker than making those exchanges straightforwardly on the Ethereum network. The OMG network was established by Chitika Vanji, a Thai resident working as an auxiliary of Sinca, which is a Thailand-based fintech organization. It is a decentralized public organization that permits high throughput, minimal expense, shared exchanges. With it, anybody can execute a scheme across geologies, resource classes, and applications. The OMG network permits one to get to, make do, and execute utilizing advanced resources that are put away safely on the blockchain. The organization depends on a scaling arrangement known as Moraviable Plasma. It utilizes a sidechain designed to make a cluster of a few exchanges, which can then be checked utilizing a solitary exchange on the Ethereum root chain. As per OMG Network, this innovation can possibly scale Ethereum to great many exchanges each second. This is way higher than whatever Ethereum 1.0 can deal with, which is 10 to 14,000 exchanges each second. The plasma-based sidechain design likewise permits it to increment proficiency while diminishing carbon impression by decreasing the power use up to 99%, contrasted with Ethereum. This is cosmically high, while additionally diminishing expenses up to 66% of the ordinary charge. This is finished while ensuring that the resources remain got by the Ethereum blockchain network. As indicated by the site, OMG Network is likewise getting a rebrand as OMG Foundation. With millions brought up in the last round of financing around $80 million in Series C subsidizing, OMG at long last sees a few achievement and truly necessary acknowledgement from the crypto market. In the same way as other cryptographic forms of money, the administration holds some stock of the all-out portion of coins. As the greatest stockpile is fixed, there is supposed to be a most extreme cap of precisely 140,245,398 OMG at the present time. Not at all like numerous other digital currencies, the all-out supply has proactively been completely stamped, with around 65% flowing through dynamic financial backers. OMG Network market sentiment. The ongoing cost going off is being credited to financial backer energy. OMG Network Group is carrying out a few new turns of events, which should be visible on their task site. OMG token holders are qualified for BOBA administration token, which has been in the news as of late. As indicated by the Ventures site, BOBA Network is an Ethereum Layer 2 hopeful rollup scaling arrangement. The point is to decrease gas expenses, further develop the exchange throughput, and expand the abilities of savvy contracts. Named BOBA Network, the venture is a Layer 2 arrangement that will permit exchanges of most digital currencies to have an installment cycle at a lightning-quick speed. This will expand the perceivability of cryptos as a reasonable opponent to Visa and MasterCard. Assuming this innovation alters the way how the world handles monetary forms, it will be the following enormous thing in the fintech world. OMG technical analysis. On the off chance that we see how well it is doing, the OMG network cost is at 3 years high, with the ongoing cost exchanging at $5. This high, whenever preceded, can overwhelm 4 years high in no less than a year, gave it keeps a decent upmoving business sector. The value history of OMG Network isn't that great in the past 2 years. The cost changes have not been fascinating for crypto exchanging this time span. The drop in cost in 2018 was principally because of the prohibiting of OMG digital money in the trades, bringing about high unpredictability at those key levels. With its new high of $5.01 since its underlying stages, OMG Network seems to be a decent chance for brokers. Yet, is it adequate at this sticker cost to purchase OMG Network? Is the OMG market currently far beyond the best passage point? We should find out with a specialized examination. OMG Network Price Predictions 2022 to 2026. As the reception rate for Ethereum Layer 2 arrangements keeps on rising, it will be great for OMG Network also. The OMG cost expectation for 2022 will undoubtedly be great as the value keeps on taking off new high, with right around 300% return in the beyond couple of months. The OMG Network figure is around $5.01 for the present, as the instability hasn't hit its greatest cutoff. In light of the OMG cost forecasts, it is a decent long-haul venture choice. Putting your cash in OMG Network is a decent choice for the future, as it has kept an uplifting perspective. OMG Price Prediction 2022. With the OMG cost expectation for 2022 around $5.47, it will probably be the year when the fate of OMG Network will essentially consider the cost outline it structures. The OMG value estimate of $6.53 is sensibly protected, assuming the reception rate proceeds. The worth of OMG will increment after some time, as it accumulates the consideration of the crypto local area. OMG Network Price Prediction 2023. In 2023, the OMG value pattern will keep on reflecting potential gain force, according to our OMG Network figure. Consequently, the OMG cost is supposed to reach $6.58 this year. For long-haul OMG Network cost expectations, fundamental specialized investigation is required. Regarding industry arrangements, the OMG Token offers a couple. The OMG Network runs a bug bounty program, which rewards developers to track down blunders inside the organization and assists with fixing those issues. This motivator to find issues in the organization makes it very great, as any issues that will be found could be accounted for back to the improvement group and the issues could be fixed. This will empower the OMG Network to remain protected from bugs over the long haul. OMG Price Prediction 2024. The OMG coin will stay in the vertical cost pattern in 2024. By 2024, the OMG cost is supposed to be around $7.15 in view of our OMG Network cost forecast. The base cost can go up to $6.17 on the off chance that the market stays bullish. On the disadvantage, the OMG Network cost could confront a cost drop, however it will remain over its help level of $9.13.